G'day, folks. It's your boy Greg Nash coming at ya once again with a Power BI desktop release day video. I saw some MVPs did a Reacts video online. I see you guys ripping off my content. Anyway, it's August, and so it's time to do another feature summary. So I haven't read it yet. I don't know. Haven't looked at the thing. The download was available the other day, and apparently had a bug in it, but maybe not. Um, so we're going to jump straight into the blog. We're going to read all about what came out this month, and I'll give you my take, and then that'll be the video. Hooray! Okay, so Power BI Desktop August 2020 feature summary. We have some exciting updates this month. Updates include support for perspectives in personalized visuals. Perspectives in personalized visuals. That's a strange set of words that I don't understand yet. Rectangular select for data points. Nice. Dynamic formatting support for more visuals and direct query support for Q&A. Several new Appsource Visuals. Yes, we love Appsource Visuals. Check out the full blog to learn out more. Well, let's learn more. Okay, so here we go. We've got perspective support for personalized visuals preview. Personalized, I'm not sure I understand that. I have to check it out. Regular lasso select for data points. Cool. Regular. Rectangular lasso select. Add dynamic formatting to support for visuals. Okay. Direct query support, bunch of different stuff. All right, well, let's go. Perspective support, the thing I don't understand. As a refresher, personalized visuals is a preview feature that allows your end users to make inline tweaks to visualizations. This, yes. In the reading view, for example, if your end user can change it to a measure or a dimension or add a legend. If you had a large data model, there's no way to pick a more manageable subset field and not overwhelm your report readers with all the fields in the model. So now we add perspectives for personalized visuals. Now it makes sense. So you can personalize your visuals in reading view when you're the end user, and you can set up which fields that person can select, which is cool. Don't use perspectives as a security mechanism. That's probably pretty important. It's better user experience thing. Perspectives in both tabular and multidimensional models are supported. However, perspectives in multidimensional, you can only see the perspective set to be same as the base cube for the report. Okay, I don't really use multidimensional models much anymore, so I'm okay with that. As a prerequisite, we need to enable personalized visuals for the report, so that'll be a preview feature. To create a perspective, you need to use Tabular Editor. And you can, once you've downloaded Tabular Editor, okay, so you use Tabular Editor to set up the perspective. That's why I haven't done much in this space, because I haven't done much Tabular Editor yet. Something that I've been meaning to do. Right click on the folder, create a new perspective. That's so cool. And Tabular Editor is now fully embedded inside Power BI as an external tool. So nice. Okay. Wow, that's quite a lot. It's got like a full how to do it. Rectangular select. Oh man, how good is this? So you can rectangular select data points. Been waiting for that one for a while. That's another one that other tools had for quite some time. So happy to see that. Control, when editing a report, you can create a selection by rectangle by holding down Control and clicking. Okay, when you let go of the mouse, all the points overlapping the rectangle will be selected. Very nice. If you hold Shift, your previous selections will be preserved. Yep, so it works the way you would expect it to work. As always, you can clear the current selection by selecting an empty space. So so it works the way you'd expect it to work. When viewing a report, you can create a selection rectangle. You just click and drag. Yeah, so you don't need Control. So you only need Control in the editor. Okay. Line, area, and scatter chart support. Add more support visual. So it's only line, area, and scatter. Oh, scatter's good though. That's usually what you want to do in scatter, because you're like, look at this cluster, and then you select. Number of data points you can select is limited to 300. That's heaps. When viewing a report in service, rectangle select will be enabled only if the preview feature was enabled when the report was saved and published. Yes, okay. So still in preview. Add dynamic formatting support to more visuals. So you can dynamically format. Cell level formatting for multidimensional. Cell level formatting for multidimensional AS models for multi-row cards. Dynamic format strings, known as cell level formatting, enable users to set different formats for each measure data point. So in a column chart, can be formatted differently. Yes. Here's some examples. This guy has lots of zeros, and then... Okay, so they're changing the format? Ah, different formats in the same... Yeah, I see. So each cell can be formatted differently. So that one's a $sign, that one's got thousands of zeros, that one's a percent, I see. We supported this for the older version of the table and matrix, the current table and matrix had multi-row. Now we're adding dynamic formatting for all of these. Cool. So you can do dynamic formatting across all your different things if you've got that set up in your multi-dimensional models. Nice. Direct query support for Q&A. So Q&A supports SQL direct query sources. So all the Azure and the regular SQL. Prior to this update, it wasn't available for datasets with direct query. So now we can do Q&A on direct query stuff. That's kind of interesting. Man, that's a technically complex solution because you've got Q&A, which is relying on the natural language engine, and then you've got direct query, which is direct querying the database, and then it's got to convert that natural language query into SQL, basically, into probably, yeah, whatever direct query converts it to, and then push that query down into the server. Amazing. Man, that'd be really interesting to go through that solution on. I don't even know how they would do that. Okay, linear gauge by XViz. Okay, new visuals. Yay, we love new visuals. Linear gauge. Oh yeah, everybody likes a linear gauge. It's a new PBI certified version of the linear gauge, aka the progress bar. Progress bar option. Okay, improve UX, data label enhancements. Nice, look up. Okay, so then there's a little video on that. Wonder what that.
In this,
what does it look like?
Going to create that.
Oh yeah, okay. So you can do a couple of different look and feels on your gauge. So this is you know, I've got a customer actually that's really keen on this kind of visual. So that's nice to see that we can do some nice extra stuff with our linear gauges. Very cool. Following the new gauge types, the progress bar, custom data types, tier labels, data label enhancements, access label formatting. Oh, here we go. See, this is what I needed, the animated GIF. Okay, so we can do a progress bar like this, actual percentage, yes, different labels. Oh, so you can customize your label. Tier labels. Different orientations. Back to progress bar. Okay. Cool. So if you want to do a gauge or a progress bar, I think there was another progress bar that got released last month, wasn't there? Advanced pie and donut chart. Oh, XViz. Advanced pies. Here we go. This is going to be good. Visual highlighting. Look, if you want your pie charts to look extra special, and I know you all love pie charts. Oh, look at that one. Variable width pie. No, it's not a 3D pie. I don't want 3D pies in Power BI. That's not allowed. Oh, no. Now all your Power BI reports are going to have 3D pies in them. Don't do the 3D pie. There's so many reasons not to do it. Oh, my God. XViz, what are you doing? 3D pie. Okay. Ratings visual by ratings visual by TMEAG. So it's a rating visual. Oh, cool. So you can just do simple rating. Yeah, nice. That's good. 5 stars. Got the thing. That's cool. You could do that with Unicode, uni characters inside your tables and stuff. But this is cool because you can have the little tiny fraction of a thing, and you don't have to muck around with SVGs to make that work. That's pretty cool. I like it. 6 different shapes. Toggle switch. Click on, click off. Show and hide data. Show Danish and Arabic movies. Click on, click off. Oh yeah, I could use that. There's a few reports where I imagine that we often use a horizontal slicer, like a slicer horizontally, and then you click on off type thing. That's the way I usually do that kind of thing. But you could do it with you could do it with, if you wanted to do it with like an SVG or a button or something, you could do it that way as well. But it's nice to have a visual you can just throw in there. Works best with string data types. Okay. User can set the switch color. Cool. Oh no, here we go again. There's more pie charts. What is this pie chart release? Oh my God. Okay, Drill Down Pi Pro by Mac Software. Now, Zoom Charts, props to Zoom Charts. They make amazing visuals, but why are we creating more pie charts? Less pie charts, less pie charts. Oh no. The Advanced Visual Suite rebranded to Drill Down Visuals. Yeah, everybody loves them because they're drill down. Yeah, so I guess, yeah. So having a drill down pie chart, yeah, that's cool. You know, like their other visuals. The signature drill down functionality. If you haven't checked out Zoom Charts, you have to check it out. They're amazing. And I'm not a partner, but I probably should be a partner of Zoom Charts. I like them so much, and I encourage people to use them. Features enable reports to create Power BI reports that business users love. Business users do love these visuals, even though they're pie charts. Okay, okay, we're going to skip over the pie charts. Let's have a look at something new. Roadmap. Let's have a look. Plan, roadmap, and time schedule. We plan, roadmap, and time schedule phases and milestones. Use AdWise Roadmap. This visual can help you present your project, product, or campaign plans, or plans or whatever else that can be time scheduled. Oh, so it's like a Gantt chart. Plan, roadmap, and time schedule phases. This is good. Yeah, it's a Gantt style. So you're planning, so we're going to do this, and then we're going to do that, and we're going to do this. The more Gantt charts, the better, I reckon, in Power BI. People are making different types of Gantt charts because it's really hard to visualize otherwise. And the sort of the original Gantt chart from Power BI was pretty crappy. So that's good. I like that. Use cases for presentation and management of projects and portfolios, transitions, management plans. Ugh. Yes, all of those things. This will be a popular one. People will like this because, yeah, you need this kind of thing with gateways and stuff. Swim lanes, gateways. Very nice. Updates to ArcGIS Maps. Well, we love updates to ArcGIS Maps. Mapping visual out of the box. Click on the Esri icon and then put in your key. And then there's a new login. Oh, you can log in directly there. That's cool. You got to have all your ArcGIS set up, obviously, for ArcGIS Maps to work. But it is it's probably the most advanced feature set in mapping in Power BI. I think, I'm not sure if it's out of ArcGIS or Mapbox who has the most features, but ArcGIS is pretty amazing. So if you're hardcore doing GIS stuff, then yeah, obviously you probably already know all about Esri. Okay, customize your Power BI format. Customize your Power BI reports with new formatting tools. This release includes a lock extent, a new tool that restricts map panning to the new areas. This is all the different formatting tools for this map. Create informative maps with smart maps. Smart mapping. They've improved smart mapping that automatically analyzes your data and makes data-driven styling decisions. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, see, look how cool you can make your maps look. Pin locations more accurately with GeoSearch. Oh, yeah, okay. So you can say this is a thing. This is where you're building up those layers and stuff. Extending admin capabilities for Appsource Visuals. Okay, so that was the map. Okay, so this is the Appsource Visuals. Extending admin. So we can do admin. Allow users to create using the Power BI SDK. Users in the organization can interact in visuals with Appsource. So you can manage the Appsource Visuals inside your tenant settings, which is good. Just a little bit more control over how Appsource Visuals work. Appsource Visuals retain certification and continue to be updated automatically when a new version is available. Note that changes to Power BI visual settings will not affect organizational visuals. Yeah. Additionally, admins can pick any visual to show up automatically in the visualization pane of the entire site on. Okay. So you can manage your visuals. It's just here's a visual, add a new visual, or you can put visual, so you can put your organizational visuals from Appsource straight in. Oh, that's good. Okay, so that means if you've got, you're in a secure environment or whatever where you can't have, you have to have a set of organizational visuals, then the tenant admin can choose which visuals are available and which aren't, which is nice. Template apps, Agile CRM analytics for Dynamics 365. Nice. So this will be, is this Agile CRM analytics? Is that Agile analytics? Yay, go Iman. Cool. So you can do CRM analytics for Dynamics 365. Look at this cool template app they've created. They've got the Agile Analytics branding very nicely set up in all their colors, which is cool. What does it look like you've got here? Lead analysis, sales performance, win-loss, sales pipeline, account analysis. So if you want out of the box CRM, like a little bit better than the, then I think, I don't know if there's an existing CRM. I think there's an existing CRM template app, but it won't be very good. This will be good. So that might be worth checking out. That'll be an Appsource. What else have we got? Data prep. Text CSV by example. So text CSV by example. Ooh, what? So, oh no, wait. In Power Query is now available in public preview. So you can import text using examples in the, wait, what does this do? Love to hear about this magic feature behaves against your specific CSV files. Extract the table using examples. Yeah, so you hit that. So this is like the web feature, right? And then it says, do you mean this? I'm clicking the new button. You'll be taken into the extract table using examples experience. So it works out. Oh, see, this is, I love these example things. It's crazy how they do this. So this is the, like column from examples where you type what you want and then it gives you what you need. And so this, you just say, oh yeah, what I really want this to say in this contact title thing is owner, and then it works out how to select this part of the CSV file or text file. So this is when you've got these weird text files, right? That, in this, like, that's not a CSV. That's like, it's that, and then it's outputs a dotted line, and then that, and then it outputs a dotted line. That's hard to work out in, like, just off the top of my head. How do I transform that so that I get this is the name, and this is the other name, and this is their title, and this is their phone number, right? So just get Power BI to work it out for you. That's what it's going to do. That's cool. I like it. This is really good when you've got legacy systems that output horrible data. Data Connect. Oh, Sherwell. Yeah, Sherwell Service Management. I used to use Sherwell many moons ago. Good little service management tool. So look at that. Direct Sherwell. I thought that was just a SQL thing anyway, but they might have a cloud version by then. I used the SQL version years ago. But yeah, there's probably a cloud version. Sherwell Connector allows you to bring in data. So, all right, all you IT service desk managers and all those kind of thing, you can connect directly to Sherwell now. So get excited. Automation Anywhere Connector. Oh, RPA, Automation Anywhere. Yes. So it's a connector that allows you to integrate your RPA data into their corporate Power BI dashboards without relying on IT sources to create custom integration solutions. Oh, that old don't rely on IT. The Power BI connector can retrieve operational, strategic, and business metrics from RPA platform. Okay, so you've set up RPA and Automation Anywhere and you want to do reports on it. That's cool. ArcGIS. ArcGIS is an integration platform for data warehouse, automation, corporate performance, CPM, financial planning, Microsoft Azure, Power BI, and Excel. That's cool too. So you can auto connect to ArcGIS. Nice work there. Is that Martin? I think that's Martin. Good work, Martin. Getting into the box, so to speak. That's a good product as well, ArcGIS, if you're into Xero or QuickBooks and stuff like that, and you want an out of the box sort of data warehouse type experience, automation of pulling all that crap out of Xero and doing it, that ArcGIS is a good option. So do check that out. All right, that's it. 20 minutes of me talking about the latest release. Good to see you all. Stay safe, stay well, stay inside if you're in Melbourne, or maybe in other places too. And see you next time. Ciao.